Welcome, automators, developers, and AI enthusiasts. Have you ever imagined a world where your workflows run themselves, intelligently adapting and executing tasks without constant supervision? Today, we're diving deep into n8n AI agents, a revolutionary leap in automation that brings this vision to life. I'm your senior AI automation engineer and technical trainer, and in this comprehensive guide, we'll take you from a complete beginner to an advanced user of n8n AI agents. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your automation journey, this video is packed with practical insights and real-world examples. This is for developers looking to integrate AI, automation engineers streamlining processes, freelancers boosting productivity, AI enthusiasts eager to build, and even non-technical users wanting to automate complex tasks. Get ready to transform how you think about workflow automation. So, what exactly are n8 AI agents? Simply put, they are autonomous entities within your n8n workflows that can understand, reason, plan, and execute complex tasks using a suite of tools, all powered by large language models. Unlike a simple AI node that performs a single function, an AI agent can break down a multi-step problem, decide which tools to use, execute those tools, and iterate until the goal is achieved. It's like having a highly intelligent assistant embedded directly into your automation. Let's break down the core architecture. At the heart of every n8n AI agent is the large language model, or LLM. This is the brain that understands your prompts, processes information, and makes decisions. Next, we have tools. These are the agent's hands, specific functionalities it can call upon to interact with the outside world. Think web scraping, sending emails, querying databases, or even interacting with custom APIs. These tools allow the agent to perform actions. Then there's memory. For an agent to be truly intelligent, it needs to remember past interactions and context. This allows for coherent, multi-turn conversations and informed decision-making throughout a workflow. Finally, planning and reasoning. This is where the agent assesses a given task, formulates a strategy, decides the best sequence of tools to use, executes them, and refines its approach based on the outcomes. It's truly intelligent execution. Ready to get started? First, ensure you have n8n set up, either via their cloud service or a self-hosted instance. Once you're in, the first step for any AI agent is connecting your LLM of choice, typically via an API key, like OpenAI. Let's build a simple agent that can answer questions using a web search tool. We'll add an AI agent node, configure it with our LLM, and then provide it with a web search tool. This agent can now dynamically search the internet to answer queries. Watch as we give it a prompt. What is the capital of France? The agent intelligently uses the web search tool, processes the results, and provides the correct answer. This is just the beginning of its capabilities. Now, let's level up. What if your agent needs to interact with a very specific internal API or a custom service? That's where custom tools come in. You can write simple JavaScript functions directly within n8n to extend your agent's capabilities. We can also implement sophisticated memory management. Imagine an agent that summarizes web articles and sends them via email. It uses a web scraper, then a custom summarizer tool, and finally an email sender. Memory ensures context is maintained throughout the process. For truly complex scenarios, we can leverage multi-agent workflows. This involves multiple specialized agents collaborating, each handling a specific part of a larger task. n8n workflows become the orchestrator, managing the interactions between these agents. Consider customer support automation. Agent 1 identifies the customer's issue from an incoming email. Agent 2 searches your knowledge base for solutions. Agent 3 then drafts a personalized response using the gathered information. This is powerful orchestration. To get the most out of your agents, prompt engineering is crucial. Clear, concise, and well-structured prompts guide your agent effectively. Experiment with different phrasings and examples to achieve optimal results. Also, tool selection and design matters. Ensure your tools are atomic, performing a single, well-defined function. This allows the agent to combine them flexibly and reduces errors. Think modularity.
And of course, error handling and debugging are vital. Implement robust error paths in your n8n workflows to gracefully handle unexpected agent behaviors. Don't forget security considerations. Always protect your API keys and sensitive data. The applications are limitless. Imagine lead qualification agents sifting through prospects, content generation and distribution agents creating and publishing articles, market research agents compiling competitive analyses, or personalized outreach agents crafting tailored messages.
Innate AI agents fundamentally change how we approach automation. They empower you to build highly intelligent, self-sufficient workflows that can tackle complex, dynamic problems with unprecedented efficiency. Now it's your turn. Dive in, experiment, and start building your own AI-powered automations. The future of intelligent workflow automation is here, and you're at the forefront. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Happy automating!